charred roasted cauliflower coated in the most flavorful spiced yogurt marinade. It's the appetizer you never knew you needed in your life. Let's make Gobi Tikka. So not too long ago, we were over at a friend's house and she was making an Indian feast. I love when other people cook for me. And one of the dishes she prepared was Gobi Tikka. And it was so gosh darn good that I didn't realize that there were other elements of the meal. I ate so much of this and that got me thinking that I had to share the recipe with you. It makes cauliflower taste so good and it is so simple. Now, I have a whole head of cauliflower in front of me and it might look intimidating, but it's actually so easy to break down. All you'll need is a big knife like this, a chef's knife, as well as a paring knife, and you're good to go. So let's break this down. So we're just gonna flip our cauliflower over, and as you can tell, it has a super thick core. So all I'm gonna do is take my paring knife and cut around the core to release it, just like that. So easy. Now I'm gonna take my chef's knife and dig right in. You're not gonna go all the way through, but just enough until you hear a bit of a crack, okay? Because you want the natural florets to stay intact, and there you go. And now we're gonna break it down even further. So take your knife, press down a little bit, and then twist, and then that breaks off the cauliflower florets super easily. And keep doing that technique of pressing down, twisting, pressing down, twisting, pressing down, twisting, until you have all the florets about the same size. Now that our cauliflower is prepped, I want to par cook it. So I have a huge pot of boiling water here. All I'm going to do is tip my cauliflower in, and we're gonna cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's tender crisp. Then I'm gonna drain it and we're ready for our next step. The yogurt marinade is what makes this cauliflower so tasty. So in this bowl, I already have a little bit of yogurt. Now I'm going to squeeze in some lemon and grate in some fresh garlic, fresh ginger. We're gonna sprinkle in a little bit of Kashmiri chili powder, kasoori methi, ground cumin, turmeric for that vibrant color, some garam masala, a little bit of vegetable oil, some besan or chickpea flour, and salt to taste. I'm just gonna mix everything to combine, and look at that color. It's sensational, and I wish you could smell the marinade. It smells so good. Now we're ready to add our veggies. In goes the cauliflower, and to add a little bit of crunch, I'm also adding some green pepper and some onions, and we're just gonna get in there with our hands. It's time to get fun and messy and mix everything together to coat. I have a baking sheet here that I've lined with a little bit of parchment paper, and we're just gonna pour our marinated vegetables all over the top. Now this is gonna go into a 450-degree oven. You really want it nice and hot to get that beautiful char, and we're gonna bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'll probably flip it once or twice in between, and we're gonna have the most gorgeous Gobi Tikka. The smells coming out of the oven as this cooked up were incredible. I cannot wait to tuck in. Ooh, let me squeeze a little bit of lemon over the top. That's the finishing touch that makes it so good. There you go. I'm gonna grab cauliflower, a little bit of onion. Let's give it a taste. This is such an amazing way to dress up cauliflower, you guys. The outside is beautiful and charred, it is tender in the middle, and all those flavors from that yogurt marinade, they have penetrated through, they've baked into the veggies, and the combination of the sweet crunchy peppers and those onions that have charred up on the outside as well is chef's kiss. So good. I've served it up here today with a little bit of tamarind chutney and some green chutney. Makes for a great app, but if you want to take it to the next level and serve it as a main, have a little bit of basmati rice on the side or some naan. It's so good. This is easy Gobi Tikka. Take your cauliflower to the next level.